Did you know one simple kitchen ingredient can transform your skin? Tomatoes, rich in antioxidants and packed with vitamins A and C, naturally brighten, rejuvenate, and heal. With astringent powers to control oil, shrink pores, and fight acne, tomatoes are your skin's secret weapon. Stay tuned to learn how to use tomatoes for a radiant, healthy glow, right at home. Welcome to Nutrient Fusion. Today, discover simple yet powerful ways to use tomato slices for glowing, healthy skin. Let's get started. 1. Tomato slice and coffee for bright skin. Rich in vitamin C, tomatoes help lighten dark spots and give a radiant glow. Rub a fresh tomato slice dipped in coffee powder on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse with water. 2. Tomato slice and honey for acne. Their natural astringent properties control oil and reduce breakouts. Apply honey on a tomato slice and massage it gently on your face. Leave it for 15 minutes, then wash off. 3. Tomato slice and turmeric for dark spots. The antioxidants in tomatoes help fade pigmentation and even out skin tone. Sprinkle a little turmeric on a tomato slice and rub it on dark spots. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse. 4. Tomato slice and sugar for exfoliation. Tomato enzymes remove dead skin cells for a smoother complexion. Dip a tomato slice in sugar and gently scrub your face in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 5. Tomato slice and vitamin E oil for wrinkles. Packed with antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, tomatoes boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing fine lines. Apply a few drops of vitamin E oil on a tomato slice and rub it on wrinkle-prone areas. Leave it for 15 minutes, then wash off. 6. Tomato slice and multani mitti for large pores. Tightens pores, multani mitti absorbs excess oil and shrinks enlarged pores. Controls oil and acne, tomatoes' astringent properties help balance sebum production. Sprinkle a little multani mitti on a tomato slice and rub it on dark spots. Let it sit on skin for 10 minutes, then rinse. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. 7. Tomato slice and rice powder for clear skin. Their natural acids help exfoliate dead skin, unclog pores, and remove excess oil, leaving the skin smooth and blemish-free. Coat a tomato slice with rice powder and massage your face for 2 minutes. Let it sit on skin for 10 minutes before rinsing. 8. Tomato slice and aloe vera for glowing skin. Hydrates and soothes, keeps the skin fresh and reduces redness and irritation. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on a tomato slice and rub it on your skin. Leave it for 10 minutes, then wash off for a natural glow. 9. Tomato slice and Vaseline for dry skin. Deep hydration, Vaseline locks in moisture, making the skin plump and soft. Brightens an even skin tone, tomatoes' vitamin C and lycopene reduce pigmentation and dullness. Gives a natural glow, the combination provides intense nourishment, giving the skin a glass-like radiance. Take a fresh tomato slice and dip it lightly in Vaseline. Gently rub the tomato slice all over your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use 3 to 4 times a week for best results. 10. Tomato slice and olive oil for glass skin. Deep moisturization, olive oil nourishes and hydrates the skin, making it soft and supple. Anti-aging and glow-boosting, the combination fights wrinkles, repairs skin, and enhances natural radiance. Take a fresh tomato slice and dip it into a few drops of olive oil. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use 3 to 4 times a week for radiant, glass-like skin. Tomatoes aren't just for salads, they're your secret weapon for beautiful skin. Regular use of tomato in skincare can improve skin texture, making it clear and healthy. Which remedy will you try first? Like and subscribe to Nutrient Fusion for more natural beauty tips.